Don't miss your chance to cosplay as a panda! We will do panda makeup and take cool photos for your social media! Sign up now!
How mysterious, Sammy! I'm sure all our Barbie friends will be very excited.
A panda party sleepover? I need to pick an outfit right away! Not that! No! I have nothing to wear! What do I do? Excuse me, Mr. Panda. Have you seen Sam?
It is me! Shh! Don't tell the other guests. I'm in disguise!
I have absolutely nothing to wear to your party tonight!
Great! We wanted to do some panda crafts before the party anyway. Right, Sue?
Uh-huh. And we'll start with your outfit, Barbie.
Oh, yeah! I have some panda fabrics. Let's see what we can make with them.
First, we need to take the measurements. Barbie, we need you here.
What? Ah! Rude!
Oh! I feel like a burrito.
Here I am, Tibetabia's most famous fashion designer. Behold! Don't move. It's the accuracy that counts. You can cut it out now, Sue.
I'm on it. Hey, and what about the sleeves, Sammy?
Easy! For that, you will need this black fabric.
Thank you. Uh-huh. Did I get your sleeve idea right?
Yep. Now watch closely. Oh, yeah! This is much better.
By the way, the pants are ready to go, too.
Oh, I can't wait to try it on already.
I know. We're almost there. Wait. Where's the sewing machine? How are we gonna make pajamas without it?
Fear not! Super glue will do the job even better than a sewing machine. Ouch! I can't! It's stuck!
Oh, no. Sammy, you okay back there? Sammy, don't be quiet. Say something.
Yeah, I'm fine. Why is there so much white fabric?
Oh, that. I thought I'd stock up just in case we wanted to do something else. Sorry.
Look, I'm a ghost panda. Ooh, what do you think?
Do you really think you need to be even more mysterious, Mr. Panda? But for Barbie's pajamas, this would be perfect.
Are you sure you need it for pajamas? My ghost costume would look cooler. So you better do a good job, or I will take the fabric back.
Okay, Sammy. Don't be greedy. You already have a great costume. Your Mr. Panda has intrigued all of our guests. I've gotten so many excited messages. Okay, the hood will go right over here.
He looks much better like that.
Hey, I'm not a panda. I'm just Ken.
I know! It was just a prank. Here's some Velcro for you, Sue.
Oh, how thoughtful of you. Thank you.
That's nothing. I can even glue the pants on. Hold on. There you go.
Good job, Sam. Now we need a panda face on the hood to fully get into the panda spirit. There we go.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's how it was.
What? Seriously? No way! Anyways, black nail polish will suit you. Hey!
I'm sorry, Sammy. You can finish that manicure later. I really need it for the craft.
At least let me draw the cheeks then.
Every panda has to have a cute little tail. And these are panda ears. They look so cute. There goes your outfit, Barbie. Let's try it on.
Yay! I'm on it.
Wait, you forgot.
Hey, no peeking.
Oops. Sorry, I'm not looking. Barbie, you look amazing! Your pictures are gonna be the best. Just a couple more.
Wow, I feel like a real model. Oh, what's that? Come on, help me.
Sam comes to the rescue. And 1, and 2, and 3. Those heels are not gonna work. Our Barbie needs slippers. Barbie, it is time we made you some cool slippers. Don't move, I'm almost done. A bit more. There we go. Sue, it's your cue.
Okay, let's speed things up a little bit here. That's better. Black stripes would look so cute here.
You remember we are doing panda slippers, not raccoon slippers, right?
Don't worry, I won't forget this.
So soft, Jelly.
Hey! Don't be afraid, it's just me!
Sammy, your pranks sometimes get out of hand, you know?
What? No! I'm the sweetest slime in the world!
Yeah, sure.
I can draw the cutest little face, you'll see.
And it would be so cute to add a little tail, too.
They are so adorable. They are so comfortable. I love them. Hey, what's with the lights? Ouchie.
Oh no, are you okay? It is so dark in here. That's better. I don't want any more of my guests to hurt themselves.
Yeah. Hey, it's a sleepover, right?
Yep, we will watch cartoons, dance, tell scary stories, and then we will go to bed.
But I can't sleep without my sleep mask.
Then let's make one. Okay, let me see how big the mask should be.
Don't worry, Barbie. You'll have the best mask.
That's it. Now, let's be very careful.
We need details. Kia! And here comes the reward. I'm the best.
Wow! Sammy, I didn't know you were a martial artist.
3-time champion of the Tibidabo Games, by the way. Why?
Can I borrow your belt if you don't mind?
I do! You have to win it at the next Tibidabo Games. They're in 5 years.
But I don't have so much time.
I got it. You can have the extra one then.
Thanks, Sammy. It will really help assemble our mask. Do you like it, Sam?
I do, but let me add something else. That's better.
That's a lot of panda crafts. I'm getting really tired. I think I need rest.
Me too.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. Oh, I have an idea. Let's take a break and have some tea and cookies. I've got the cups.
That's a great idea, Sammy. I can already feel myself getting energized.
You don't say.
I agree. Whoops, I forgot my makeup bag. I need my night skincare for the sleepover.
A makeup bag, you say? One moment. Now, where were those thingies? Found them! I've been waiting to make one of these for a long time. I even have all the pieces ready. This goes here.
Do you need this one too, Sue? It is funny.
That's right. Thanks, Sammy. It's the upper part of our makeup bag.
Wait, are you making ears out of spider legs? You are so creative!
I know, right? And you, Barbie, would you like to draw a panda face here?
Oh, this is so exciting! I hope I won't mess this up.
That doesn't look bad at all!
Everything worked out perfectly. Let's only glue the handle. Here you go, dear. You can use it now.
Thank you so much! I will take good care of it.
Woohoo! We'll be stargazing at the party! You need a cap! Moon tanning is no joke!
What are we going to make the cap out of?
I have an idea! Here come the wild chocolate eggs! They'll do the work! You don't have to do anything, Sue! Just watch this! Okay, fellas! Let's go!
What? No, what?
That one is ready. Just trust me, Sue. Crack it open!
Okay. To make a cap, we need a base. What? Oh no! Again? Cool! Is there more? Wow! This is amazing! Oh, and it is so cute! Sammy, but how did you make it? It's really impressive!
Wait, Sue. I'm busy with a party plan. It kind of doesn't go very well.
A notebook always helps me in these cases. Let's make one!
Sue, I have the paper sheets, but how do I make them into a notebook?
All we need to do is to glue the sheets from one side, like this. Now, check it out, Sammy!
Great! Give it to me! I have a party plan to write up.
Wait, Sammy, we're not done yet.
What? But you said it was easy! Am I a joke to you?
I just want the notebook to be pretty. We need a cover.
You betcha! Look what a lovely little picture I made up for it!
Oh, well done! It's very cute.
This is it! I have to start start with the plan. No! I can't write in such a nice notebook with such an ugly pencil!
It's a good thing I know how to make a cute pencil for such an occasion. Watch me. Kia! That's better. Now we have 2 pencils.
They look boring. Where are the pandas?
Don't worry, I'm prepared. There we go.
You see? Sue's the real master! I'm dying of thirst. I need to drink some water.
Uh-huh. Whoops! Almost revealed all my secrets.
Sue, I can't take it anymore. I'm really thirsty. Ugh.
Here you go, Sammy. It will help you.
Finally, thanks! Sue, I love the Panda thermos. It is so cute!
I hope you're gonna love this wallet too.
Oh, so many crafts we made today. I can't even fit everything in my hands. As if I have hands.
That's right! We need to make a good backpack to fit them all. And I already have the right pieces for it. I just need a zipper. Sammy! You can't scare me like that!
Sorry, I couldn't resist. It was so satisfying.
But thanks for preparing the zipper for the backpack.
Oh no, you ruined my hiding spot. But okay, I have something for a backpack too. Like this awesome front pocket. What do you think?
Oh, great! I think we are going to need a zipper here as well.
By the way, I was thinking, you need a costume for the party too, Sue.
I'm afraid these are gonna be a little small for me, Sammy. But it's perfect for a backpack.
Well, let me draw a face here then. Looks great!
Aww, that's really cute! All that is left to do is add shoulder straps. Let's make sure everything fits inside, shall we? Voila!
Oh yeah, that's better. I can take everything with me now. Whoa! But it's a bit too heavy. Sue, please help me. We need to get ready for our party.
Okay, but first let's have another look at everything we've made today.
This is the best Panda Pajama party ever! Yay!
You are right, Sammy. I love it. And I have so many panda things now. I'm so happy.